Okay, good afternoon. This is the Blessed Man. This is a very short video on how you can earn money from Cryptomachine. Some of the people that I sent the first link to my YouTube video on that is saying that video is too long. It's about 1 hour video. It is detailed. I will still advise you to take your time and look at the video so that you can understand everything about this site. But right now I'm just going to show you a quick way of going to earn on the site very quickly. I will assume that you now have a trust wallet. If you don't have it, you need to watch that first video so that you can get how to do all these things, how to register, how to install trust wallet, and then register or create a wallet. But I will assume you now have a wallet, so just go to your, if you go to your trust wallets, okay, when you get to your trust wallet, the one you're going to use, assuming this is the trust wallet that you want to use, you're going to look for USDT. Click on USDT, click on receive, then click on copy address. Once you copy the address, then you now go back to or where I pasted this particular link. For instance, let me check it out here. So where I pasted this link, you just click on this link, https://cryptomachine.lifttokens.com. You just click on it. So when you click on it, you will find yourself in this page. So when you are on this page, just click here to enter that your wallet address which you copied from your trust wallet, and then you click on start. Once you click on start, it will take you to this page. Right now, this is the page. If you look at the top here, you will see where they wrote my account. If you click this square button here, it will show you other things you can do on the site. If you click on my account, it will show you your balance. Okay, this is 0 balance. This balance is 0 right now. Okay, so let me see if it can link up with my old wallets. Okay, it did not link up, so let me try and see what I'm going to do. So now when you come here, there are basically about 4 or 5 ways you can earn here. One is visit and earn, view and earn, learn and earn, lucky draw, play lotto, flip coin. Then you can now share your link, and then if people register through you, you can begin to make 10% of whatever they are making on the site. So I'm going to explain just 2 of them. You can explore every other one because I want this video to be a very short one. So right now, the one I like most is this lucky draw. The lucky draw, how do you earn on it? Every 15 minutes you go to the site to go and claim your coin. So I'll just click on this lucky draw. Once you click it, and the thing opens like this, you see what is telling you that you can actually claim this. So what you do is excuse me, okay, so I'll just click on claim, and then when I click on claim, the next thing it will tell me is to prove that I'm not a robot. I'll click I am not a robot, and then click on done. Once I click on done, immediately I will be rewarded with this particular USDT. Okay, let us wait for the network. Okay, so you can see they say, wow, congratulations, you have earned successfully, and this is exactly the amount that I earned here. So you can see it right now. Okay, So what you now do is to simply click on close. Yeah, if I go to my account again, if I click on it, you can see my balance right now. This is what I've just earned now, and you get this every 15 minutes. If I go back to lucky draw again and click on lucky draw, you can see it said you have already claimed in this last 15 minutes. You can claim again in 30 minutes. Once it is 30 minutes is over right now, I can go ahead and earn again. So the first one, another one after this lucky draw, another one I like doing is this visit and earn. If you click on visit and earn, once you click on visit and earn, okay, you can see all these things have opened. This is the first site. This is the amount I will earn if I click on visit and earn here. This one, this is the amount I will earn. This is the amount I will earn, and all this. That is how I will click on all these sites. So if I go there right now and click visit and earn, it will take me to that particular page. And once the page opens, you will see a blue line moving from, this particular one, you will see something moving from left to the right. Once the thing gets to the right, look at it, you can see the blue line, the way it's going. You can see it. Once it gets to the end, it means that I have viewed this site, and I can now go ahead and close it. So I have earned the money. That is the way it is. So this one now, I'm done with it. I'll just close it or click the back arrow. Then I'll go to the next one. I'll click on it again. The site will open. And once it opens, just like the other one too, I will view the site, just look around on the site and allow the thing to get to load till the end. And once it loads to the end, the money has been credited to me. So guys, it is as simple as this. Let me try to refresh this and see whether it will go. Okay, so you can see this one has opened also. So this is the site right now. It means I have just viewed it, so I can close this one. I can go ahead and close it. So guys, that is it. If I go back to my balance, you see that the balance has increased. So this is how you actually make money from this site. You can go back by clicking on this and click on the logo, or you just click on that box and click on earn. Once you click on earn, it will take you back to the main page of the site. So guys, this is a quick video to show us how you can copy your wallet address. Okay, when I find myself here, I just click on earn free tokens and it will bring me back to this place again. So there are so many other things you can do here. You can explore them. Then if you click here, you can be able to copy your address and send it to people to register through you. And when they are earning just the way you are earning, you'll be earning $10 from them each. So that's it, guys. It's a short video to tell you how to copy your wallet from your Trust wallet to Cryptomachine and how you can actually earn from here. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit on the bell notification icon so that you can get notified in all the video that I'm dropping here. If you want to connect to me on WhatsApp, please look at my description. The description of this video, you will find my WhatsApp link there. You can be able to connect with me, and then if you have any question, just go ahead and ask me. Please beware of scammers who will be coming to my comment section to come and say rubbish. Some of them will tell you you need to hook up with somebody on Telegram that will help you to trade. They are scammers. Do not listen to them. Do not click or comment on whatever they are doing. So stick to me. If you want to get to Blessed Man, you must look at my description. All my details are there, my Facebook page, my phone numbers, my email address, and my WhatsApp number. All of them are there. So I will see you in my next video. I will be giving you updates on this site, how to withdraw your earnings and how to actually do some other things on this site. Thank you very much. I will see you in my next video.